to all of you today. I have got a new production of the Shakespeare which is named the tragedy of the Macbeth, known as the emotions of the Macbeth. So the tragedy means the emotions, and the human suffering is called the tragedy. Now in this story, there are the emotions of the Macbeth, which will be told by me. So the first point: an ambitious, imaginative, and stricken general driven by the wife. So here the wife is called the Lady Macbeth, and she was the ambitious. She had the ambition, she had the desires and the wish to become the queen of the Scotland, and it also happened, and she was also the imaginative. And the second another one is three witches and the prophecies. So I want to tell you that the witches did the six prophecies, not the three. And the three first ones are that helped when the Macbeth came from the war or a battle. Suddenly the weather turned into the bad conditions, and suddenly the three witches appeared, in which the first one said that hail to the Thane of the Glams. He doesn't Macbeth doesn't got amazed. But second one said hail to the Thane of Cawdor. So it was not happened, and got some amazement. And the third one said, very highly said, the hail to the King of Scotland. Here all of the soldiers and the Macbeth have had the surprisement that how I can be the king. Even the two sons are still alive, Malcolm and the Donald Ben. If they were not alive, it would be chance of mine. And when the other one six prophecies. Now when the Macbeth was the prey of the hallucination of the when he had the harmless melody, and for saving his empire, he went to the same three witches, and those three witches then told him the new three prophecies, that Macduff will be the danger for you, and you have to be safe from him and be careful. And the second one prophecy, that you will be not in the danger until the Brennium forest will not come at your palace. So he think, I am fully safe, how a forest can walk. And then other which said that what the others said that third which said that that person will kill you who have not taken the birth. He said, how is this possible? This is impossible, because how a person cannot be taken birth. So these three prophecies will be explained by my pair.
Greeting from Murad Hussain, and now my pair Mr. Prithvi very wonderful performed. And now I am explain the third which is prophecies of witches. Then the third was that Biranium jungle, that when Biranium jungle come on your palace, that you are killed by Macbeth name of person. So it's very amazed by. And then Macbeth, they said it's not, it's a foolish and it's stupid that how that Biranium jungle come on my house, and how I killed that. It's not it's not impossible. And and last was that third was that that mother like woman birth child, then he killed you. Then he not killed you. And Macbeth, he was not burned, but he was created in stomach. So let's the second point, that when the Macbeth, he killed the Macduff of families. And Macduff family, he go to England of the king of the elder son of the King Duncan. And he said to the Duncan son of King Duncan, Malcolm. And Malcolm, he always he create army for kill the Macduff, and he want revenge from his father, from the Macbeth. And he was aware that Macbeth, he was aware that the name of a Macduff person, he killed me. And you know when Macbeth know that in my Scotland country that England army they attack on my army, and they give us more damage. And when Macbeth they stand on his house, and they look to the forest, they look to the Biranium forest, and you know he said, where is the army, that these are the trees are how they killed me. And he don't know that, and he don't know that I don't know that Malcolm army they wear the bushes of the trees, and he don't know that they come to my house and they killed me. And when they come to his house and they attack his army, and this army give his more damage. His army killed. And when the Macduff face to face Macbeth, and Macduff said to Macbeth that I am not born, that I am created from the stomach. And Macbeth shocked that this is a reality, that when which is tell me the prophecies that it's a happening, it's a true. And Macbeth know that first three which is are the true, and second and third is first was become the true, and this is the second he become the truth, because Biranium jungle they come, the Biranium jungle come on my house, and they destroy my army. And last was that Macduff name a person kill you. And last was this, that Macduff killed the Macbeth, and the son of elder son Duncan Malcolm, they become the king of England. Sorry.